am Arundhati, and I am been with Guruji since 13 years. We are blessed with one son. His name is Siddhant. I am married to Guruji in 2000, and throughout the process, Swami, I call Baba, he is guiding us through. And recently I am getting lots of experiences, and wherever difficult time where we are not able to break through, I always found that Baba is there with us. Being with Guruji as a wife, it was very critical or challenging time for me. But whenever we could not break through, we always found Baba's presence with us, either through vibhuti, either through fragrance, or somewhere his presence was always felt. And then Baba made us calm down, rethink and restart. So it was, I never saw Baba when he was alive, but when he passed away, my connection with Baba has increased in 1,000 folds. Like recently we were during Guru Purnima in our ashram. So it was Swami, he entered into me, and then he gave certain things like kind of instructions which were required to our ashram. So I didn't know what was happening, but the process was around 4 to 5 hours, and that time I really felt that there is some higher force which is working with Guruji or through me, or some kind of a something bigger has to happen. So that day I could really feel divine presence of Baba. Then last few days, last month, I was in Pondicherry. We have one setup in Pondicherry, so we were just sitting there. Suddenly some kind of a dust started flowing through the fan. So I just scolded my workers that you don't clean up and all this. So I made them remove the fan, clean up and again put it back. So after that, nearly for 5 minutes, some kind of a dust, so I could never think it can be vibhuti. So it had fallen, and then we had collected that dust, but still I could not feel that can be vibhuti. We don't know what is happening, and maybe sealing is bad, something like that we were thinking. But after some time, then I could feel the fragrance. The whole room was with lots of fragrance of Baba, or kind of a presence of some person. And then suddenly from another fan some petals started coming. So then we could feel that it is something different, and then we put Baba's picture, and then I lighted one lamp, and we were just quiet, and we could feel the presence of Baba for 15 minutes. Then I have collected the vibhuti, and we have kept it with us. But I don't know what is the message of Baba still. It is revealing. And after that, then this is my second visit in 15 days. This is second time I have come. Yeah, so still message has to reveal, and it is continuous challenges in our life, but now I feel Baba is there. And still it has to reveal, but he is definitely guiding us, and he will take us through. And Guruji is not well since 5 to 6 months, and then we don't know how to break through. But then Guruji also got lots of experiences with Baba, so we feel that he is in safe hands, and he will get out of this problem what he is facing recently physically. So Baba's presence is really guiding us, and we are now drawn to be here. We don't know what next.